from November 14th to December 3rd. Don't miss your chance. Hydro Diamond Dermabrasion Machine YX55S1 from $449 to just $249. 360 to grind rotating RF cavitation machine MS33J2 dropped from $220 to $180. 5-in-1 cavitation machine with touchscreen MS22S5, only $279 instead of $399. Home 40K cavitation machine MS11R1 from $129 to $99. Limited stock only. 40K cavitation EMS machine LY3301J, save $110 from $399 to $289. IPL hair removal device HRB209, only $299, save $200. Limited stock, once sold out, it's gone. Visit Mychway.com. Don't miss the Black Friday flash sale.